Hey everyone, John Cruz here at Cruz Auctions, and I'm inviting you to follow along with, learn about, and bid, and one of you has the opportunity to buy this automobile as part of the Cruz Auctions Sealed Bid series. This car is a 1906 Locomobile Vanderbilt Cup Racer, number 1617. And this car is part of the significant early Locomobile race team history. Many of you are probably familiar with old number 16, which is regarded as the first American car to win an international race, and of course is proudly displayed and part of the Henry Ford, probably forever. There's a second car, number 1, that also raced in that 1908 Vanderbilt Cup race that actually had an accident. It ended up finishing, it was credited with third. And following that, the cars and the remaining parts moved around. Peter Helck ended up with old 16 for a long time in the Riker estate in Connecticut. A lot of the parts remained. And so in the late 90s, the current caretaker and historian was able to acquire all of it. We've got some really neat letters as part of the transaction that list all of the parts that were remaining. And after old number 16 went to the Henry Ford in a spectacular transaction, including a very significant Ferrari Testarossa and a lot of money, he took all of the rest of the remaining inventory from this race team and built this car, which is a reunification of the remaining history of one of America's most significant racing teams. All of us as car fans and race fans can be grateful that this car was reunified and that so many of these original Locomobile racing team parts have been preserved, repaired, and as needed, some were rebuilt and added so that we can now have this part of American racing history and actually experience and use it, something that I hope the next owner takes advantage of. This car is equipped with a thunderous and fiery 990 cubic inch engine, an F-head, 4-cylinder. This is a visceral driving experience. This car sounds and is incredible. I mean, the dual chain drive, the massive power plant, but it just energizes you and makes you feel alive when you hear this car and you see it driving down the road. Obviously, it was built with the capacity to win races, which is what the team succeeded in doing. And when you are in this car behind the wheel, it is unlike really anything else that you've probably ever been able to experience. And we believe that if you can experience history, there's a lot of value to us as car collectors. So certainly a spectacular iteration of the pre-World War I racing brass era, and something that we think is a rare opportunity to acquire and use a piece of American racing history. So we invite you to learn more about this car, get registered to bid, cruzauctions.com. Call me and our team if you have questions, you want to learn more, if you'd like to come and inspect the car, review the documentation. We would certainly welcome you to do that. So happy bidding, and I hope this goes to a spectacular home who will preserve and continue on the legacy of American racing. We'll look forward to connecting with you and finding out who the next caretaker of this great car will be. We'll talk to you soon.